we're back. I have a very exciting video for you today. I'm excited. You're excited. We're excited. I'm back with another hair video. So today we're going to be trying Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls and Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. So this is the lotion and this is the gel, which is usually all I use in my hair, which is fine. They also have a ton of other products like custards, jellies, etc. Leave-in conditioners, a bunch of stuff. Anyways, what I couldn't find was whether or not they have like a shampoo and conditioner so that I can actually use the entire line. But it's fine. So I've heard a lot of good things about this, but I've also, for myself, felt people's hair with it since I work with curly hair, and I feel like it can feel a little like oily on the hair, but I've never tried it on myself, so I think that's gonna be exciting. Because I couldn't figure out whether they had a shampoo or conditioner, I did already wash my hair, unlike the previous video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. Thank you so much. Maybe I'll put like a little right here, okay? Perfect. So anyways, if you haven't watched it, go watch that. I did Design Me's Bounce Me line. It's really good. I really like it. I am currently still using it. I really did like it. It's a super simple line. Perfect. But anyways, I did already wash my hair. Right now I have a deep conditioner in, which I am gonna go rinse out before we start the styling process. But yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. My hair is dripping wet. So I have my brush just so I get more uniform curls, and I have my water just in case my hair gets dry. So let's get right into it, okay? So I'm gonna section my hair per usual. I'm gonna start at the top of my ears. So I haven't even felt the product to see what it actually feels like. So yeah, this should be fun. I don't have a clip, so I'm just gonna use this. First off, I already like the packaging because it's not gonna be slipping out of my hands. Oh. It smells like baby lotion, huh? So I'm just gonna take this much to begin with because I again don't know what it is like. It's not like sticky. I don't know if you guys have used this before, but it's not sticky, it's not watery, it's like a lotion. It feels like a lotion. It's called a styling lotion. I'm just gonna put it on everything. I do feel like I'll need more. Okay. I'm not gonna comb my hair through just yet. I want to put the gel in first. I'm making a TikTok. Anyways, now I'm gonna go with the Jelly Soft Curls and okay. I don't even think you'll be able to see it, right? It's like clear. Those gel. Ooh. It's very, not very, but it's thicker. It's stickier. Huh. It's sticky for sure. I wish you could see like the texture. Anyways, it's like thick enough to the point where it's like approaching the texture of a custard, but it's not. But then it's not watery. You get what I mean? I feel like I over-explain stuff and then I confuse myself, and then I'm like, they're confused, but I'm confused. So before I brush it, I'm gonna spray it with some water, just because it's feeling a little drier. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna brush the pieces, not brush this. This is a brush. And I'm just gonna let them go. So yeah, my hair feels a little dry. Another pro tip, don't wear hoops while you do your hair, because this is uncomfortable. Oh my god. And get a clip. Don't be lazy like me. So the next section, we're gonna start right here. This is not your temple, but we're gonna call it your temple. Okay? Alright, and I'm just gonna twist it to keep it in the front. And the other side. So I'm leaving the back piece because I'm gonna lose it. And then we'll just work our way back anyways. In the mohawk. Lotion. Do you see, like, so I'm gonna add the gel right away. I'm not even gonna let it sit while I do the other side. And I'm being pretty generous with the gel. I don't even know if you can see that. I'm being pretty generous. You should follow me on TikTok. I'll put it somewhere here or over here, wherever there's space, you know? And I'm gonna scrunch this. So I don't know about you guys, but like the hardest part, the hardest part of my hair for me to curl is always the back. And it's not because I can't reach it, it's not because I don't hydrate it, it's not because of anything. I just, not that I can't, it doesn't curl. Like, it'll wave, but it won't curl like the rest of the hair, you know? I don't know if you guys have that problem, but I know a lot of people do. I've seen a lot of people, their hair just won't curl there. And I feel like it's the dryness from like the sun hitting it. Also, that hair just gets a little coarser like as we put it up and everything. But yeah. Moving on, we're going to the mohawk. So I'm literally just gonna be taking the pieces straight back until we get to the front where I have to do my part. So by brushing up, you're also training your roots to go up. It's going to give you a lot more volume. And to follow, and I tend to tell my clients to follow the curly girl rules. Practically, like no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, etc. And I do follow it as well, but I find that my hair usually does need it once in a while. So these products are not bad actually. I really like them. The ingredients list looks pretty good to me. But yeah, so I will use Curly Girl safe products, but once in a while I will reach for bad products. Bad. So I'm running out of water. Ooh, ooh, ooh. She's dripping. So these guys, I like to push them back because for my hair grows forward. So it tends to fall forward anyways. So you'll just see that instead of giving it the volume from the bottom, I am gonna brush it back. And down. And I have the gel still left over. I do like the stickiness of the gel, don't get me wrong. But just for the sake of describing what it is or what it feels like, it is a bit on the thicker side. So I know there are like gels that are a little more watery. I don't trust them for my hair, but they definitely exist, you know. So yeah, again, I do like to spray my hair with hairspray for the safety of the frizz and the hair, but for the sake of the video, I won't do it. Okay. I am gonna diffuse partially on camera and then I'll do the rest off camera because I feel like it was a whole lot of stuff last time. But yeah. Okay, are you guys ready? Bam! So I am torn. Hear me out. Hear me out. I really like them, okay? But there's things that could be improved. Drying time was great. I literally maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15. And my hair is almost 100% dry. It is a very soft finish. The pillow soft and stuff, you know? But I can't have like a super like soft set on the first day because my hair is not gonna last at all. So that being said, I am gonna continue to play with them and I will let you know. Also, I am gonna try them with the hairspray because I feel like I have this problem with a lot of products where my hair will just be like super fluffy and soft, and I don't think I can blame the products, even though Design Me actually did give me that cast that I like. But yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're following me on TikTok, make sure you're following me on Instagram, make sure you're subscribed to me here, and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, if you want to leave any suggestions, you can leave them in the comments, you can DM me, you can whatever you like. That's all.